Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're here in the kitchen and got some more DSR farm goodies for you today. We're gonna make some goat fajita nachos, so stay tuned. We're gonna start off with our seasoning. I've got about 2 teaspoons of each: salt, pepper, garlic powder, cumin, onion powder, and chili powder. And to that, I'm gonna add about a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Next, we're going to start cutting up some vegetables here, and you can use whatever vegetables you like. I've got 1 whole yellow onion. I'm just going to cut it up pretty fine. And then we're not real big fans of bell peppers, so instead of that, I used jalapenos, 5 or 6 of those, and just de-seeded them, cut them up about the same. And then I had some mushrooms I thought I'd throw in there also, so just cut them up in about the same size shapes. Okay, and when everything gets cut up, you just kind of throw it in the crock pot. And then this was 2 pounds of bone-in goat meat just cubed up. And then you just throw that seasoning in there and mix it up really well. Cover it, and I cooked it on low for about 5 hours, and it was just fall apart tender. Now, I haven't made a ton of cheese sauces, but it's basically gravy with cheese in it, and I'm from the South, so I figured, hey, it's gravy. So basically this starts out just equal parts butter and flour. You just kind of cook that until it's all cooked and stuff, and then just slowly start adding some milk, and then it'll thicken up as it cooks. As it thickens up, I've got about 8 ounces of pepper jack cheese that I cubed up, and I just slowly start adding in there and melting it. And for whatever reason, my sauce split a little bit. Like I said, I'm not super familiar with cheese sauces and stuff, so if you know what I did wrong, or if you can do this like 100% every time, I really want y'all to see if y'all can make this and tag me on my social media. All the links to Facebook, Discord, Instagram, and stuff are down in the description below. Just go and check them out, find me, and say, hey, look, you don't know what you're doing. This is how you make cheese sauce. Anyway, it still tasted really good, and the nachos turned out great. And yeah, goat meat is the first time I've ever had it, and I'm a big fan. Anyway, highly recommend this. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed.